Okay, and the last one I want to go through is Credit Hound. So I'm going to give you an overview of Credit Hound, and then we'll sort of have any questions that you might have on any of the systems. Okay, so Credit Hound is a cloud-based credit and collections management software solution. It provides automation for your collections and your management process. Okay, so a few of the features and the benefits that you get here are you'll have automated email reminders. They'll go through certain collection paths. So you'll set up the collection paths. They're going to be bespoke to you, and the emails are going to go out automatically, so you don't have to remember to send them out. You get a customer screen, which you'll see a little bit of in a minute, and an interactive dashboard, which again, you're going to see some shots of in a moment. You're able to sort of log, display, manage collections, communications of customers. You can all see if you're all working different times, you're all working on different accounts, you're all working maybe from home. You can all log and display the notes for that customer, and you can see exactly what's going on with that customer. You've got, again, visibility for all users, so that's going to be, they're going to be able to see the notes that they've had. They can see that you've rang on the X date or this agreement's been put in place, and you can record any sort of management disputes or anything like that, any people that are on hold, or any sort of payment plans that people have in place, you're all going to have view of things like that. The benefits then, it's really quick and easy to set it up. It's quite a quick process. You're going to reduce your outstanding debt. I think they've got on total some KPIs there around how long it takes people to reduce their outstanding debt, and it was taking people probably like for sort of 5 to 6 less days to reduce their outstanding debt by just in the first couple of months. So you're going to see big differences there. You get a better cash flow. You've got improved time management because people aren't spending time sort of chasing down emails and running reports to see who's overdue. They're just automatically going from the system. To integrate seamlessly with Intacct. This is the one we've got quite a few people on, and it integrate really, really well with Intacct. It's got a reasonable monthly cost, I think, compared to other solutions. And they've also got, which a lot of other people haven't, they've got free trials available, which a lot of people use. So you can benefit off a free trial and try it out and see if it's worth it, and if it saves you a lot of time in the long run. Okay, so how does it work then? This is what you're going to see. You're going to see collection paths that you'll set up like this. So you can have collection path 1, collection path 2, collection path 3, and you can put them on a customer by customer basis for the collection paths, and you can then set these up. So these are really bespoke. You can say an email due reminder, a friendly reminder, mild, moderate, strong, and you can add as many levels as you want. Each level you're going to be able to type in what you want to happen, when you want it to schedule for, and obviously you'll be able to hand type the email and the word in exactly how you want it. So they're going to get emails to come exactly from you and how you guys want it to look. You can filter it to say that you don't want to chase values of a certain amount, even schedule at what time of the day you want it to go out. So they are quite clever collection paths in that sense, and they're really, really simple and straightforward to set up and apply. Okay, and then obviously, what does it do? What are you going to be able to see? Besides the collection paths, you'll be able to see, this is a customer's account that I just wanted to share with you as well. You can see the activity that's gone on here and everything that's gone on in this customer's account. So any invoices, any payments, how much of their debt is current, how much of it's outstanding. If it is outstanding, how much it's outstanding. You've got contact details. And then again, you can see any activity or emails that have gone through. You can also see on a customer by customer basis, if you want to set them up for automatic chasing or not, you're able to kind of set that up and decide from there what to do. Okay, so again, I will just quickly show you quickly in the system what that looks like. And you'll see here, you can set up collection paths. So if I just go here, I think they're the email templates that we send out. So friendly over reminder, mild over reminder, you can set up as many templates as you want on there of what's overdue and what's not overdue. So it's your wording onto those. You've got interactive buttons as well, so obviously that will change customer by customer to have their name in it and their invoice and their amounts in them. And you can even add a pay them button so that they get a button on the chase that's pay them, and will take them to something to pay them, like Stripe or PayPal sort of things there. Okay, so these are the collection paths that you can have. You can obviously add as many as you want. This is the one that we've just seen there and what we want it to do. the days you want to send. You don't want to send somebody a chase letter at 9 a.m. on a Sunday, for example. You can turn that off, and you can sort of design your collection path around that and the different stages of your collection path. Okay, you can see an outstanding task board of things that you might need to do. If you have written a task for yourself to follow up with someone's payment plan or something like that, you can add a task board on there. And you can see all of these outstanding sort of reports as well. So you've got your aging reports that filter through to Intacct, but they're interactive on here. You can see how they're over, who they're over for, and then you click into a customer and get their details, and that's when you get their customer screen. It says how many days they're overdue, their contact details, and you can just click and say that you want to send an email directly from Credit Hound, and you can chase them in the subject, or you can set one of your set templates that you've already got set up. So you can change that as well.